Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video we'll see about arrival journal. Alright, so what I will do, let me write down the steps here. So first of all I will create a PO, purchase order first. I'm going to confirm my purchase order. Then I'm going to simply create an item arrival journal. Okay, then one second, let me post. Then I will post at item arrival journal. Then from my item arrival journal form only I will do my product receipt, so that I don't need to go to purchase order. I can do it from here itself. Okay, because when the item will be arrived you will be using this journal, right? So let me come here, let me go to my purchase order. I can go to accounts payable. Let me quickly create a purchase order. Okay, for this activity I will create my new product. Let me go to my product information and management, release product, and let me click on new. Okay, I will call it as item arrival journal, something like this. Okay, so that's fine. Let me quickly select my item model group. Let me go with this FIFO, item group as audio, storage dimension group, and tracking, let me keep it as none. I will click OK. Okay, so I'm creating a new item, so I will create the purchase order for this. I will confirm, then we'll do receiving of our item arrival journal, and then we'll do product receipt, everything. Okay, now I'm into my all purchase order form. Here I can create a new purchase order. Let me select vendor. I can go with this one, and here let me select my site and warehouse. I will click OK. Okay, now here I can select my data item that I've created, that is item arrival journal 1, and let me say that I want to order 2 quantities of this product, and let me confirm my purchase order. Okay, so my purchase order is confirmed now, and here if you will go to your inventory, if you will go to a transaction, so currently the status is in ordered. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll go to my item arrival journal form now. For that I can go to my inventory management. Inside my journal entries I have item arrival. I'll go to my item arrival form here, and I will click on new. Okay, and here the first thing is that I'm going to select my purchase order. So here you can enter your purchase order number. I will go here, and purchase order number is 126. I can copy this. I can paste my purchase order number here, and let me unselect this check picking location. Okay, and let me click OK. Here you can manually add your line, but we have this option here, create lines, and check this particular option. It will default all the lines from your purchase order to your item arrival journal form. Okay, you can see 111 and the quantity is 2. Okay, now I can post this item arrival journal. Okay, I don't want to transfer it to new journal. I will simply click OK, and okay, now if you see our item arrival journal is posted. Okay, this is the ID. And now here if you will go to your inventory status, let me go to transaction, you can see the status has been changed to registered. Okay, now one way is you can come here and you can do your product receipt. Okay, but we have the option to do it from here itself. So if you click on your function here, you have this product receipt option. Okay, here I can select my product receipt number. For example, let me call it as this purchase order only -1. Okay, I will make sure my information is append correct. Okay, this is all good. I will click OK, and my product receipt will be posted from my item arrival journal only. Okay, because ideally we are doing it everything from here itself, right? So it will be redundant work. So we'll wait for this one. Okay, so if you can see the product receipt posting is also done. So if you will come here, refresh this, so you can see the product receipt, this is disabled. Okay, you can go here and you can check out, you can check your journal, you can go to lines, you can verify everything. Okay, it is copied from your item arrival journal, right? So the description is being copied, and come back and you can further check your inventory status. So it should be now received, right? So if I will go to my transaction, so you can see the status has been changed to received. So this is how your item arrival journal can be very much useful, and you can do your registration and your registration and receiving from this form itself. Thank you for watching this video.